This is a Zara dress in blue. And it was on sale for $5.99, which is really cheap. I think originally it was around 30 pounds or so. And I really like it. I think it will look really nice in the summer, especially when I go on summer holiday. It will look very cool because of the blue color. And it's the right length for me, and it's actually really comfortable. So I will definitely be keeping this one. The next one is this high-waisted shorts, jean shorts in white. And they were also $5.99 on sale. So I had to get these. They are, I think, originally about 20 pounds. And I really like it. It's really comfortable, very good fit for me. I like that it's high-waisted, but not too big on the waistline for me, but it just fits just right. And I also like the length on it. And it will be nice in the summer. I'm already getting ready for summer. So this is a winner. So this one is this checkered overshirt. I don't know if you can tell, but it's with this ivory color, green, shades of green, and a little bit of blue. Really beautiful color. And it's supposed to be very oversized. And I got it in size X small and small. It's an in-between size. And it does look really big on me, really oversized on me. But I think I kind of like it. I think it's meant to be oversized. So you just embrace that look. And I think it will be really nice in the spring or the fall time where you don't need a heavy coat. It's not super thick, so it won't be keeping you super warm, but when it's slightly chilly outside, I think it would be perfect. And it would be nice paired with shorts like this too in the summer. I think it would be nice, or jeans, and also maybe leggings. So it's a new style for me, but I think I like it. Oh, and this one was originally around 50 pounds, I think, and I got it on sale for $19.99. So another great deal. I am on the fence with these pink checkered pants. I think they're a little bit too long and a little big on me, even though it's the smallest size. Like this part's a little big too. But I wonder if I could wear it with a belt here and it can hold it up a little bit better so the length matches. This was on sale for $5.99, which is a steal for pants. It might be kind of cute paired with a white shirt or maybe even a white jumper, I think. So I think I'm gonna be thinking about this, or maybe if I can wear slight heels, it might be kind of cute in the springtime. A little pop of color. I do like the color and the style. So I'm gonna try it on later with a belt on and see if that looks better. But yeah. Next is this black tweed long skirt. It's supposed to be high-waisted, but the waist part is a bit too big on me. So without a really bulky sweater tucked in like this, it kind of sits all the way down here and it doesn't look right. So I'm not sure about this one, but this was also on sale. I think normally it was about 50 pounds, and I think I got it for $19.99. I really like the style of it. I just don't know if the fit's right for me. So I'll show you. If I untuck this, if I just wear a shirt like that, it kind of drops down here, and I don't know if I like that look. Unless I can clip it back here in the back, then it will look a little tighter and look better. If not, it's like kind of like this. So maybe I have to tuck in a bulkier sweater to keep it upright around here, which is my waist. What do you guys think? I will think about it. I think It's nice, it looks nice, I just don't know if it fits me. And I have to figure out a way to make it work on my body. I think this knit dress is a winner. This one was the only one that wasn't on sale, so I paid £29.99 for it. And it's kind of this green and brown colored knit dress, and it's actually a lot thicker than I imagined it to be, so it's really warm. It's got little pockets here, and I think it fits me really well. It's really cute. It will look really cute with boots on, I think. So I think this will be staying with me.
These are definitely more casual.
Because that has a painting tone whereby this.
When we went shopping, Ryan bought a bunch of stuff for himself and he felt bad that I didn't get anything, so we just took a quick browse at the Chanel store, and found something. So Ryan got this for me. Thank you, Ryan. And this time it comes with this black and gold tie. So let me show you what I ended up getting. Here's the box. So pretty. So first, dust bags. And I ended up getting these shoes. They were actually really comfortable because usually I worry about this part because my heel would hurt, but it's really soft material here. So it was really comfortable when I was trying them on. And I thought it would be really cute during spring, summer, and fall. So I'm waiting for the weather to warm up a little bit so I can wear these. Let's see, what size did I get? Oh, I ended up getting size 35. So I'm usually a US 6 or a UK 3. So they first had me try size 36, but it was way too big. So I tried on 35 and it fit me perfectly. So I got these. Ryan really liked them too because he said they look very versatile. So I can wear with anything, with a skirt, jeans, shorts, dress, and it will still look good. So yeah, hopefully the weather warms up, spring comes, so I can wear these babies out. Thank you, Ryan.